In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert images and use clipping masks in Figma to create clean and professional designs. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the canvas where you want to add an image. Next, import an image by dragging and dropping it into Figma or by using File is greater than Place Image and selecting your image file. Once the image is on the canvas, create the shape you want to use as the mask. This can be a rectangle, circle, or any custom shape. Position the shape over the area of the image you want to display. Now, select both the image and the shape. Make sure the shape is placed above the image in the Layers panel. Right-click and choose Use as Mask or use the keyboard shortcut to create the clipping mask. Figma will instantly crop the image to fit inside the selected shape while hiding everything outside the mask. To adjust the image inside the mask, double-click the masked object and move or resize the image until it looks exactly how you want. You can also edit the mask shape at any time by selecting it and adjusting its size or position. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image and created a clipping mask in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.